Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Amazon credit cards account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get back to the video. So to log into your Amazon credit cards account, firstly open your Google search, type in Amazon credit cards login and make a search. It will display the search results. Click on the first link appeared on the screen. It will take you to the login page of Amazon credit card. To log into your account or access your Amazon credit card, enter your user ID. Remember, case sensitive may differ from your user ID. Enter your password associated with your Amazon credit cards account. Check your password by clicking on Show option to make sure that you have entered your password correctly or not. If you don't want to log in again and again, click on Remember User ID. Now, all you need to do is tap on Secure Login. If you have forgotten your ID or password, click on I forgot my user ID or password. To create an account or register, you can click on I want to register or apply. This is how you can log into your Amazon credit cards account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.